Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
What's up? Y'all, I can't believe I sit up here and call myself a YouTuber and forgot to record a whole intro to the video. But I'm still learning. I got a long ways to go. I'm trying to just like work my way up on YouTube and just learn. I'm taking it day by day, okay, step by step. It's a learning process. Shh. You heard of this from no one. Honestly, I don't fucking know. I'm gonna get into the video, okay? Yeah. I went to, it's called Petit Jean Mountain. I heard a lot of people talk about it for a long time. I just never went. I'm like just doing stuff this year. I don't care what it is. I'm getting out the house. Tired of being a homebody. I'm getting out there in the world and I'm doing things. Fuck, like I don't have time to be sitting in the house anymore. I don't have time for that. I'm thinking we just finna go on a little cute little walk through the forest, and at the end of the trail there was gonna be the waterfall, but bitch, no. It was halfway through the motherfucking video that I didn't even get content because I was too busy trying to make sure I didn't fall and bust my butt. I was looking cute. I had my little baby suit top on, but I seen everybody, like, as we was walking up, I seen everybody in t-shirts and leggings and pants and tennis shoes and shit. So I'm looking, I'm like, wow. Okay, I'm glad I picked an extra pair of clothes. I had a t-shirt, but I did not bring an extra pair of shoes, and I should have. I don't know. I didn't do my research, y'all. I was just like, let's go to Petit Jean. Let's go. I heard it's a waterfall. I want to go see it. I've never seen a waterfall before. I took my sister and took my boyfriend. We had a good ass time, but it was definitely a humbling experience. Physically, most definitely. Mentally, learning a lesson by just going on a hiking trail and having fun and enjoying myself. I didn't know that none of that was a test until afterwards, and I sit with God and I prayed, and it was just like the best experience ever, and my life has changed ever since then, ever since this trip. So it was like definitely needed. It was a big cleanse. I just can't wait for y'all to see these clips and just experience what I experienced. You're gonna know what I mean. This whole trip really cleansed my soul. So yeah, let's get into the video. I ain't gonna hold y'all up no longer. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's a baby bird. It's a baby bird. Just sitting, looking. You see how he looks? Naya, look, this is where the waterfall coming from.
You get tired again?
No, we don't know.
Thank you. You got it, Naya?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to get in my vlog tonight? You know you do. Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
We out here in Petit Jean getting to it. It's a workout, but a good one. Facts. I'm glad I put on these shorts. Ain't they comfortable too? You got it, Naya? Where you at? Okay. You, I went the hard way. You good? You okay back there, Naya?
Yep.
All right. I actually walk out right here. I did whatever it took in order for me to get there. I fell. I broke my sandal. Y'all, the whole side of my sandal is gone. I got a whole hole in it. Bruised my foot. I fell in the river. Y'all. I didn't get none of that on camera because I was just scared that I was going to lose my phone. And then I had a backpack and still had my phone in my pocket, being slow because I was rushing, being slow and still had my phone in my pocket. I should have put my phone in my backpack because it still could have slipped out my pocket. It could have fell, but thank God it did not. Both of my phones came, it made it out the hike safe. There's a whole bunch of shit that I had to do, but it was worth every bit of pain. It was worth every bit of fear that I had because I was gonna let my fear stop me from crossing the river to make it close to the waterfall, as close as I got to it, which y'all gonna see it in the clips. I was gonna let that fear of me crossing the river stop me from getting there, but I was like, bitch, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I don't care. And I'm glad I did it. And that's what they mean by do it scared, do it fearful, do it uncertain. Bitch, just motherfucking do it, okay? Do it. You never know what you're gonna get out of it. You're gonna have some obstacles. You're gonna come across some walls. You're gonna hit some bad points. At the end of the day, the bigger picture, you're learning and you're going through those experiences for a reason. So do it scared, even if you don't know what the outcome is going to be. That was my lesson.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Okay.
I don't think so.
So we made it out here, and y'all, as y'all can see, look at that waterfall, y'all. It was totally worth it. This is my first time seeing a waterfall in real life. And so happy because this was a great experience. The walk most definitely been like my focus, and getting out in nature is just like, it really cleansed me, y'all. It's so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like that part over there, crossing that part to walk over here and get over here was the hardest part. But you know, we took some pictures and we had fun and we did our own little thing. Now it's time for us to go. Look at this, y'all. I definitely enjoyed it. Out of my shirt, I took my shirt off and kind of like sunbathed. But yeah, y'all. So totally worth it. Oh my god. It's a monarch too. Breathing so hard. Oh my god. 16. Those are cute. You want to come back one day?
Not to go back on that train.
You can't do it
No.
again. You don't want to do it again. So it was a one.
If I do, you're gonna have to have water, like a lot of water.
Yeah.
Like a lot. Like a big jug.
This was nice though.
Gosh, those look so good. Oh.
Let's steal one.
Let's go.
No. do. Oh Lord. I can't read. Oh my god. This shit right here.
Do you know how long I seen it had this been since I seen it?
Brain freeze! Lord save me from this madness. Oh. Did you like that, babe? I just really have to get that off my chest. But y'all, what's up? It is a beautiful day outside to me. Even when it's raining, it's still beautiful to me. I don't know, like, you see that lighting? Like, I just find beauty in the gloomy days too. There's something about the rain and the dark sky that's also pretty. Because it's not always gonna be sunny days. Nature will tell you it's still. Why are you being so negative?
This is what you call the purest weather. So
Oh my gosh, we don't want that bad mojo, hobo, uba all over here, baby.
this ain't bad.
Jehovah oil. I say wooba.
I'm gonna tell you, a lot of things happen on rainy days. One of them is always chasing a bag.
Exactly. I'm gonna chase the bag even on the rainy days.
So I'm gonna say this is the
Y'all
perfect
see
weather.
this
That
hair
sun,
Shut! Hey. No, I'm just playing.
that sun. Yeah, you can have a sun, but when you hear this, we all know what it's from. So do what you gotta do.
You heard the man. Words of a wise man. Y'all heard that? When you see, you gon' know. You gon' feel. Y'all see my hair jewelry? These are so cute. I think I'm gonna start making some of these to actually sell on my storefront. So adorable. Look at that. I love wearing hair jewelry. But yeah, we're just cruising. I honestly didn't even know that it was gonna be raining like this today. It wasn't even raining like this. It wasn't even raining like this today when we left out the house. It just started pouring down like this. You never know with me. You never know what the day may bring. And so I got my Sonic drink. Because you know it's not Taty's World without the Sonic drink. It's not Taty's World without the Lord Route 44 slush. Now I get different flavors, but I think I'm going to stick to this combo for a while. Because I can... Y'all. I better go get y'all a motherfucking Sonic drink. I'm telling you, real lemonade slush, add mango and real fruit strawberries. Baby, that's all you need. I think we're finna go to the lake and just sit, cause it ain't nowhere else to go raining like this. I'm not getting out the motherfucking car unless it's to go in the goddamn house. I gotta go to work today too. I honestly hope it's not busy. The water, oh my gosh, it is crazy how it looks when it's raining outside. Oh wow, that time on there is wrong. I need to change that. What time is it? That shit been wrong for a minute. I'm looking at the time like 7:12. They over there looking. Them people in their house, they probably own this shit.
Let's go in the garden. You'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside down. When you finally find it, you'll see how it's faded.